Hello and welcome to the Dave Cares 3 channel. This is my first install video and I'm going to show you how to install an oil cooler and oil cooler thermostat, the Nissan 200SX S14. I've opted for the genuine Tegwa kit, which comes with the oil cooler in a range of sizes, and you can also choose to have a thermostat or just an open plate to allow the oil to run all the time. However, I would recommend having a thermostat one so that it will open and close once the oil is up to temperature. In the kit, you get everything you see here, and also obviously the oil cooler itself, which can be chose in several different sizes. I've opted for the smallest one as I'm not drifting the car. First of all, you've got to choose where you would like to locate it. The easiest place is behind the intercooler and obviously in front of the coolant radiator, which is removed as I have a new one to go in there. So let's show you what to do first. First of all, you need to choose a location to bolt the oil cooler in place. I've chosen behind the intercooler and also it will be in front of the coolant radiator, which I'll fit after. The second thing to do is get these fixings and fix them onto the pipe. They're very simple. The red bit pushes onto this first and then screw the joint in after. So I've done this already on the thermostat plate. As you can see, I fitted it to the plate first and then put the plate in place and tightened it up. It was a 26mm socket, so I've done that up now. The pipes have been ran down there and turned back on themselves and now run along the chassis leg. I've also taken the oil cooler back out and filled it up with oil, which took about quarter of a litre of oil, so I've filled that up with oil completely so it's from one end to another. So now I'll put it back in place and then cut the hoses to length and fit the 90-degree joints to it. Once you've connected the whole system up, make sure that the engine oil level is at the maximum and then run the engine until it is hot and keep checking the oil cooler. Once this gets hot, you know that the oil has flowed around the system. You can of course speed this up by driving the car. Then once you've noticed that it's got hot, turn the engine off and have a check of the engine oil level. It's likely to have dropped as obviously the oil has gone through all the oil pipes and feed lines. So then top it up and just have another check round to make sure that there's no leaks from any of the joints, and then you're all good to go. Thank you for visiting the Dave Cares 3 channel.